Introduce features highlight or overview summary about FAYYANG Tumbler Heat Press Machine, 110 volt, portable mug press. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary include 30 ounces tumbler heat press. This tumbler heat press features a curved exterior design and new dye sublimation printing technology. It can completely cover the surface of mugs from 11 ounces to 30 ounces, overcoming the defects of limited transfer range and uncovered areas of mug heat press machines. More importantly, it can easily and efficiently heat transfer the pattern onto the mug perfectly. The heat transfer of the image is smooth and even, and it presents vivid and bright colors and patterns. More professional heat transfer machine. The heat press machine comes with a 10.63-inch long detachable heating attachment with a diameter range of 2.7 to 3.4 inches. It is made of 3 high-quality materials: a high-temperature resistant silicone pad, a silicone heating plate, and stainless steel plate, which improves the service life and has better thermal conductivity. Provides faster heating speed and a better heat transfer effect. You can print 11 to 15 ounces straight cups or mugs at the same time. Precise temperature and timer setting. The multifunctional digital control panel enables you to achieve more precise temperature, 0 to 482 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 to 250 degrees Celsius, and time, 0 to 999 second, adjustments, and can maintain stability at temperatures up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, evenly heated, and bring clear transfer effect. It is very suitable for mugs made of ceramic, stainless steel, glass, etc., and it adopts an automatic timing design. When the timing is over, the machine will beep to remind. Easier to operate settings. The LED digital display panel is adopted, which takes up less space than traditional heat press machines. There are only 4 operation buttons on the full screen, allowing you to freely and accurately control the temperature and time of the machine to meet the heating needs of different cups, and it provides easier operation and uses for beginners and professional DIY enthusiasts, allowing you to have more unlimited creativity in designing patterns. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.